Today it's a milestone again where the Maharaj, the chairman of Tripura Matha, is going to brief. This year indigenous theme is leaving no one behind. Indigenous people call for new social contract. In that regards, the Thansa is very much relevant, and today Maharaj will brief the success of that leaving no one behind, but bringing everyone together in the front. So may I call upon Maharaj to kindly brief the media on this very special occasions of the 100th milestone achievement.
Punkaham to everyone. I want to first of all extend my heartfelt gratitude, and I would like to extend my best wishes to TSF, Tripura Students Federation, for joining the movement for the Greater Tripura Land. Greater Tripura Land is a movement where we want every Triprasa, every individual who may not even be a Triprasa, who believes in the concept of a state which had a great history, a great future, a flourishing career, and a wonderful bonhomie between friends, communities, irrespective of religion and ethnicity. I am very happy because I have been associated with TSF since 2002. When I was not even in Tripura, I have worked with TSF, and after 19 years, TSF and our organization Tripura Matha have jointly decided to fight for Greater Tripura Land movement. TSF has a great history. It was formed in 1968, 67 with an ideology to improve upon the Triprasa students. And let me tell you that till the time we do not come together for the benefit of our Dopha, our community, we will always suffer. TSF has its units not only in Tripura, TSF has its units all over India. They also have the unit outside India, and I will appeal to all of these units outside Tripura and outside even India, which are in some are there in Bangladesh as well, to morally and mentally and physically support us in a constitutional fight for Greater Tripura Land. This year, the World Indigenous Day theme is Leave No One Behind. And I don't want to leave anyone behind in our movement, be it any political party, be it any social organization, because I also realize that the last fight for our existence will be now. If this time we do not put up a united effort, forever our existence will be over. So I appeal through you all, through the media friends, to please understand that ours is not a political electoral fight. Ours is a movement for our constitutional right and our rightful constitutional right, which have been denied to us. And whenever it's a student organization or a women's organization, I'm very happy that if they join with us, I'm very happy. I'm also very happy to say that we have not only the TSF president, Bishu here, John here, Bipul here, many other leaders from TSF here. We have the former NESO, current NESO Vice Chairman Upendra Debbarma, NESO meaning North Eastern Students Organization. We have Bisujit Koloy, we have Sunil Debbarma here. I am very happy to also say that I have my CM who's somewhere there, and Dolly Riang, Purnachandra Debarma, Dolly Riang. I'm also very happy to see that we have YTF, President Runil Debarma, Working President Pitor Dayung, and we have so many people. This is a good blend of youth, seniors, women, and Tiprasas. And our agenda is to sincerely not compromise and work for our final goal. If we succeed, this will not be the victory of TSF, this will not be the victory of Tipra Motha. If we win, this will be the victory for all Tiprasas. This is not the fight for one individual, this is not a fight for one organization, this is a fight for all the Tiprasas. And I know whether you are in CPM or Congress or IPFT or BJP, in your heart, I know that all of you secretly, privately want our Greater Tipra Land movement to be successful. Because this Greater Tipra Land is not for one organization, it is for all the Tiprasas. I am very happy once again that TSF has joined us. I am also very happy to see Aghor Debarma, Narendra Debarma here. Very happy to see NESO Chairman here, Upendra, NESO Vice Chairman Upendra here, and our TSF leadership, central leadership. I would also like to request the media once more that Tipra Motha is an independent organization. We are not a B team of any political party. We are the A team for Tiprasas. वो टाइम ख़त्म हो गया कि रीजनल पार्टी कोई नेशनल पार्टी के लिए बी टीम होता था. हम लोग ए टीम हैं फॉर आवर सेल्व्स, फॉर द Tiprasas. तो दूसरे इश्यूज़ में हमें अननेसेसरी ड्रैग मत कीजिए, वो उनका प्रॉब्लम है. हमारा लाइन एक अलग है, एक इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन है, और हम उस लाइन में कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करने वाले.